Testing. Hopefully everything is all good. Okay. I'm just hoping this audio for this is not too loud. I can't quite tell. I'm just going to turn it down a bit. Hello guys, and welcome to another Dreamer Lover 90 video. As you can tell, I'm playing Need for Speed Most Wanted. Reason for this, well, is the fact that yesterday, on Sunday, as I'm recording this today, actually today is a Monday. Recording this on the 19th of July. So, sorry if this video doesn't come out on the same day, but what I might do is I might record this video. Well, I'm recording this video on the 19th of July, and if it comes out whenever you see it, if it comes out a bit late, then I do apologise. But I can't do anything about that because of just genuine summer activities. You can't really waste time inside playing video games or doing stuff on a layout that's built indoors, not out in the garden. Can you? But I'm going off topic a bit. Now, Need for Speed Most Wanted. Wow. We haven't played this game in a long time, have we? It's been a bit of... It's one of those times when... Oh no! Oops, God, oh, for fuck's sake. Yeah, as I was saying, it's been a bit of those times. Just adjusting the camera a bit. Sorry, guys. There we go. I'm recording this at a very awkward angle, so this is sorry for the delay in speech, but yeah, absolutely fine. Let's just get started, shall we? I've got this on the main menu. Since the last Most Wanted video, I do apologise for the last Most Wanted video. It was the audio. I accept it now. It was a bit too loud for you to hear all of the audio. And I think there's too much shine on the screen, so there's a problem behind that. But I think, hopefully, fingers crossed, if this video goes well, then I will be happy, and hopefully, if you guys are happy, then I'm happy, and all's good. Hopefully you guys can hear that as well as I can. Yeah, of course, I missed that. or auto log alert. Nothing to see. Anyway, today we are currently, this is the car I was driving last time I was on this game, off camera. The beautiful, absolutely beautiful Pagani Zonda R. But no, this beast we will not be driving today. We'll be switching cars to the even more beautiful, let's see, we've got a, which one was it? I can't find it. This one, the SRT Viper GTS. Now, because this game was made back in 2012, some of the cars may be a bit out of date, and there may be updated versions of the cars in the game. So, but that's no matter. It just means we can go back on cars that we've seen before, and just means we can drive them again. That is a real glitch there. Glitch in the ground. So, excuse me there. The way that this car spawns on 192 Interstate East is crap, basically. But don't you just love this car in white? Absolutely beautiful. I'm lucky that I'm on a sort of hilly part with a billboard at the end of it. I've already smashed through that billboard. I did that. I think I did that a while back before this video. Let's go around and see if we can find any more cars. I think I did find a different car. It's currently yes, it's a new one. It's a hatchback. It's an Audi RS3 Sportback. I'm not really one for Audis. I'm more of a sort of a sports car guy. Porsche, Lamborghini, Chevrolet, Bugatti, things like that. Really fast cars. But the only downside to most of the time of cars like that is they can be quite difficult to control. Yeah, when you have a sign that says new next to the car, then that means it's a new car that you have discovered. Store. No, I won't be going into the store today. Otherwise, if I go into the store and get something new, then my stepdad Andy would actually go up to me and definitely get quite annoyed. So let's try and I'm trying to keep this summer as sort of clean as I can. No, hardly any arguments. A good clean summer with no bad activities. Anyway. Oh. Well, that went well. Or at least I'm down on the interstate now. South or what's that? Is that north? Either way, it's 192. I'm going. Oh, come on. You're blocking my way. Get out of my way. Blooming Chevrolet traffic cars. Let's see if we can find a Knocking Brothers gas station and then blimey, this car. I don't even know, how did I manage to get it battered up so quickly? All all I did was fall in a ditch by accident. Surely it should only be the boot at the front. Is it in the front? Well, the thing at the front, whatever it's called. Slow, there's a cop nearby. I don't want to get in a cop chase. Last time I was in this game, I think it was yesterday, I got into a cop chase in that Pagani Zonda R, and I didn't get caught once, until right at the end, where I was getting a real headache, and I was just starting to go like, this is really difficult. And I was literally on heat level 6. If you know how this game works, it started to go real bad. Let's fix ourselves up, and oh, yellow. That, I don't know about you, but you could sizzle like a frying pan and then just go. It's a gorgeous colour. I would take that car in real life as well as in this game. Either way, it's absolutely gorgeous. In the yellow, you can't catch me, can you? I'm just wondering what to do. I'm sort of like a fiddler. I tend to be a fiddler in most racing games. I tend to think there's too much for me to do. I'm sort of standing here and don't know what to do. But actually, is that Discovery Flight Gift Certificates? Fly. Wow. I'm in a car, bro. This is a racing game. Oh, red. A sort of snaky red. That Mitsubishi Motors is a good hatchback. It's I like the 1 or 2 hatchbacks, but Mitsubishi Motors is one of the best hatchbacks you can get. If you're in a hatchback, yes, you won't always have a spoiler, but I like hatchbacks that do have spoilers half the time, because it just makes cars look a lot, especially sports cars, just look absolutely really, really cool. And here is the old airport. This race, what's this? This is, oh no, you don't. Why is everyone today trying to get me to get into another police chase? No police chases. That Porsche I discovered yesterday as well, actually. Do you know that almost hit my bone like that? Oh, come on, let's use this. Come on. Oh, well, that didn't quite work. How am I supposed to get that billboard? I keep on undershooting it. So it's so annoying. There's loads of billboards here, but I just don't know how to get to them. It's so annoying that I'm not a transformer, so I can transform into, I don't know, different cars like the Viper or the Porsche or the Aston Martins, and transform into a truck or a bus or a plane or a boat. I know it's a weird thing to say, but yeah, not a lot has been done so far. So I think I'm sick of driving around in the Viper now. I'm going to switch cars. I think we're going to go off-roader Land Rover Evoque. That's the only thing that's off-road. Yeah, no, not Land Rover. I'm going to go. Let's go the. I think we could find it again. Can we? Can't we find that Mitsubishi Motors again? Mitsubishi Motors, here we come. Oh God, that's the telephone. This is the end of part 1. I'm gonna have to start a part 2 next time. So see you soon, guys.